everyone, we are just on the approach to Halfpenny Vineyard. It's a Britstop, but they also allow you to pay to stop as well. Don't know what it's going to be like. I think there's a cafe there and a few other shops. It's definitely a vineyard. Let's get in and go and have a look. Definitely vines.
Yeah.
Park for the fishery only. We're going to have to find somewhere to stop and find out where we go to park.
Yeah.
So afternoon everybody, not morning. We departed Bewdley. I'm going to try and keep still for a change. And we've came up to Halfpenny Green Vineyard, which, if you could just about hear over the noise, there's a helicopter in the background at Halfpenny Airport. Which used to be an RAF base but is now used for private flyers. But yeah, it's a Britstop, but if you're not a member as such, where you get your first night free, you can just pay your £6 and come. We had lunch in the cafe. It was very, very good. They had a limited menu on due to the bank holiday and expecting lots and lots of numbers, but it was very, very tasty. I basically had a ploughman's. Helen had a brie and cranberry sandwich with all the trimmings. We had 2 of the glasses of wine. I had a penny black white, and Helen had, I should say, she had the Bacchus. It was about £6 for a large glass, which isn't too bad, especially food was good. I think all in it was about £40. We have bought some stuff from the shop as well, another bottle of wine for tonight and some local produce. But yeah, you're right here on a vineyard in England. There's plenty of places to park. I'm going to show you that, yes, you know, the truth of the reality is it's extension to the car park. There is hard standing up there if that's where you felt you'd need to be, and when you turned up late, or if you turned up late. But yeah, it's great. £6. No need to eat in the cafe after you've paid your money, but we chose to. After several frugal days, we thought we'd, it being Friday and all, and a bank holiday weekend, that we'd push the boat out. I think it'll still keep us in our daily budget for the week by a considerable margin, especially as the next few days, Saturday should be a cheap day, and all next week we will be off grid, as they say. But yeah, Halfpenny Green Winery in, is it? No, Shropshire. I think we could pass the last county border. So yeah, give it a search out. It is a Britstop stop. If you remember them, your first night's free. Otherwise, £6 a night. There is a freshwater tap. I believe they've been told that there is a grey waste drain, but there is no electric hookup and there is no black waste drain. While the cafe's open and the other shops, yes, toilets are accessible. But after 5 o'clock in the evening, nada, nothing. You're on your own. But it's got to be worth it. Look at the tractor. He's just off to do his thing, look. Whatever tractors do. So, what do we do? What do we do in the evenings?
Usually drink.
Well, there's quite a bit of drinking, but we couldn't do this if we also didn't do what else we enjoy.
Yeah.
And that's getting out and having a damn good walk.
We like to have a little explore, don't we?
Yeah.
We are.
The footpath we're on at the moment is a public footpath. That's the other side of a big hedge from the road. We don't know where it goes because it's not on any of the maps that I've got. Evening, everyone. It's a lovely sunny evening. Just had a second visitor come. Got the second van just arrived. But we are sitting out after a little walk around the field that you got maybe half of. Before cutting back, and we come and give the Halfpenny Red from the Vineyard and the grapes up on that top hill. I think are the red ones. But yeah, it's
very nice.
It's quite see-through.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
I think it would be a good introductory red because it's not sort of like biting your head off. Is it?
It's not super tannin-y.
Yeah.
But it's quite pleasant. Fruity. Yeah. Not as full-bodied or as rich as some. But yeah.
But that's not a criticism.
No.
I think that's.
I think it's horses for courses. But yeah, very tasty. Halfpenny Red. I think it was £10.50.
Yeah.
If you buy 3 bottles, 6 or 12, the price comes down accordingly. But we just bought the one.
Well, we didn't know what it was like, did we? So
well,
no point saddling yourself.
Yeah, you don't want to buy 12 if it sort of turns into a German Riesling kind of tasting contest where you go like this. So anyway, happy bank holiday weekend.
Yeah. Cheers. Here's to Friday.
Sorry, I got an itchy nose. Cheers. Friday.
Yeah.
Bon appetit.
Cheers, your feet.
Cheers, everybody.